Insects. Ant. Ants live in large colonies and work together. Bee. Bees collect nectar and make honey. Butterfly. Butterflies have colorful wings and feed on nectar. Mosquito. Mosquitoes suck blood and can spread diseases. Fly. Flies land on dirty surfaces and carry germs. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are fast flyers and eat small insects. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers jump high and eat plants. Cricket. Crickets make a chirping sound by rubbing their wings. Beetle. Beetles have hard bodies and come in many shapes. Ladybug. Ladybugs eat aphids and help farmers. Cockroach. Cockroaches are tough insects that live in dirty places. Termite. Termites eat wood and can destroy buildings. Stick insect. Stick insects look like twigs for camouflage. Praying mantis. Praying mantises hunt other insects with their strong front legs. Firefly. Fireflies glow in the dark to attract mates. Flea. Fleas jump high and suck blood from animals. Louse. Lice live in hair and cause itching. Aphid. Aphids suck plant sap and harm crops. Caterpillar. Caterpillars turn into butterflies after growing. Silverfish. Silverfish eat paper, glue, and clothes. Lacewing. Lacewings eat aphids and protect plants. Thanks for watching.